So in this problem, we're asked to express the perimeter of a square as a function of its area. So our answer is going to be a perimeter equation, but with a little bit of a twist. Okay, so we're going to start with what we want, and that's perimeter. So let's write down the perimeter formula for a square. Since a square has all sides that are all the same, we'll just call the side lengths x, shall we, just for fun. Go away. Oh, it changed. Come back. The perimeter of this square is 4x. X plus x plus x plus x is 4x. If I knew the side length, I would multiply that side length by 4, and that would give me the perimeter. Okay, so perimeter is a function of side length. Correct? Perimeter is a function of its side length. We don't want perimeter as a function of side. We want perimeter as a function of area. So we need to make a second equation, and that is the area equation for a square. If this is my square, the area for my square is x squared, or side squared. So what both of these formulas have in common is they both have an x. Okay, so I want to get rid of my x here, which means I need to solve for x here, because you can't replace without equality. And if I want to replace my side, I need to solve for the side over there. So how do I solve this area formula? I take the square root of both sides, and x is the square root of the area. Okay, so instead of having an x up here in my perimeter equation, I now have a square root of the area. So everything else stays the same. There's still a 4, and there's an equal sign, and there's a perimeter. So the perimeter of a square is 4 times the square root of its area. So if you were given an area, you could go directly into this formula and figure out what the perimeter is.